My name is Erin the Happy, and the company that I created in 2009 is called DEkADENCE Cleaning, and that is the company that I am still loving on and is loving me back. I'm here today to clean a house with my daughter Ava Rose. Part of the amazing thing that DEkADENCE has afforded us is the opportunity for me to work with my child. So that is a major beauty facilitator in my life. I love getting to be with my daughter. I'm not saying it's always easy, but it is, it's a joy. And so I want to talk with you about two things today. And the biggest thing is one of my favorite parts of cleaning, and I say this, is we get paid to sweat. This is a physically demanding job, and we work really hard, right? So we are sweating and making houses transform and looking great. I'm gonna bring that to you. I know social media is generally about the highlight reel, looking good, batching your workflow when you can put on the makeup. I'm not a makeup person to begin with, and I clean. And I'm gonna bring that to you. I'm gonna share the cleaning with you when I'm looking really sweaty, because that's what we do, right? And I want you to have the courage to show that part of yourself to your potential clients on social media. So when you're promoting yourself, you can just say, hey, this is really me, and find the courage within you to just put yourself out there and not be so concerned with looking good. And that is, I'm looking for that courage myself. So let's do that together in our professional cleaning collaborative. So I want to be here for you to offer coaching in starting your business, scaling your business, moving forward, enriching your business, whatever level you're at. And the nuts and bolts are what I will focus on in these videos, so that you can do that as quickly as possible and be more present with your children. Enjoy the beauty in your life. The thing I want to talk with you about today is mindset. So often we are buying into the idea that it is all about our accomplishments, it's all about our vision, it's all about our why, and I totally agree. That stuff is very, very, very important. We have to have that clarity. But before that, our mindset of gratitude is key. So what I would like for you to do is come up with a gratitude board. You can make it in words if you like, but it is super helpful if you can give your mind an image to lock onto and an emotion to go with that. So if you are very grateful for your smile, or for your health, or for your ability to whip up a healthy meal for your family in no time, come up with an image and put that on your board. An image that makes you feel that in your heart. That gratitude is just surging out of your feeling space. And then every morning, every night, look at that gratitude board before you look at your vision board, because I'm pretty sure you probably have a vision board. And if you don't, those are great things to do too. But let that gratitude board really, really settle with you every morning and every night when you rise and before you go to sleep. And just feel the gratitude. Celebrate the successes that you've already had in life. And I would love to hear what role gratitude has played in your life so far. Maybe you already have a gratitude practice, and a huge key for the Cleaning Professional Collaborative is growing together and learning from each other's experience and wisdom. I'd love to hear, what is your practice with gratitude? All right, that's it for today, and I hope you go have a wonderful day, enjoy the beauty of your life, and scale your business so that you can be more present with your children.